Okay, so coming to the first disk scheduling algorithm, that is FCFS. FCFS is nothing but the first come first serve. Okay, how the question will come first? Okay, the very first idea behind this FCFS algorithm, that is the disk scheduling algorithm, is that the track will come first, or the track will come first, will be serviced first. Okay, so in the FCFS disk scheduling algorithm, the track which will come first will be serviced first. Okay, and so on. Okay, so first of all we'll see how the question came, how the question comes in the exam, and then we'll try to solve this question, okay, easily. So the question is very simple. The question is like, given following track request for the total head moment THM, we call it as a THM, total head moment of read write head is 95, that is 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 62 and 64. So these are the total head moment by the read write head. Okay, so it has we have to service 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 62 and 64. Okay, here we have to consider the initial position of the read write head. As you know that in the hard disk there is a head. Okay, so it is position somewhere. Okay, so when we access some file, so it will reposition the head to that particular file, and then the file is being accessed. Okay, so we are talking about that head only. Okay, so we have to consider the initial position of the read write head is at 50. Okay, so the initial position of the head is at 50. Okay, so when we say we have to service the track 95, so it will go to the 95. Then we'll say it has to go to the 180, then it go to the 180. Okay, so it is like a track, and these are the different track, and this is the initial position of the head. And one more thing we have to consider, that the total head moment for a 200 track disk, okay, that is from 0 to 199. Okay, and we have to calculate the total head moment and the seek time. These two things we have to calculate. Okay, let us see what we can do. For this track we will draw one diagram according to the FCFS. So we'll draw the diagram. It will be very easy for us to understand. So this is the straight line we have drawn, starting from 0. Okay, starting from 0, and this is the 199. As we know that the total head moment for a 200 track disk is from 0 to 199. Okay, it is from 0 to 199. Okay, now tell me that what are the different position on which we have to service, that is 95, 180, 34, all these are the position. Okay, so we can consider this is the 11. Okay, then this is the 34, this is 34. Okay, this is 180. Okay, then 34, after 34 we have 50. Okay, because we know the initial is 50, so we have to, this is 50. Okay, then 62, 64, this is 62, this is 64. Okay, then afterward we have 95, this is 95. Okay, after that we have 119, then we have 123, and after that we have 180 and 199. Okay, so 95 done, 180 done, 34 done, 119 done, 11 done, 123 done, 62 done, 64 done. Okay, so now we have completed. Now we know that the initial position of the read write head is at 50. Okay, so from here we'll start with the FCFS, that is first come first serve. So the initial position, we'll write the sequence here so that we'll understand. 95, 180, then 34, then 119, then 11, then 123, then 62, then 64. So according to the question, this is okay. So we have to go according to the first come first serve basis. Okay, and we know that what is the initial position? The initial position is 50, as you know that. Okay, the initial position, let me remind you, consider the initial position of the read write head is at 50. Okay, so we have considered it as a 50. So starting with the 50, now where we will move. Okay, so from 50 we have to go to the 95. We have to go to the 95. Okay, so my head will move to the 95. So move to the 95. Okay, then next, so 95 is done. 180, so it will go to the 180. It will go to the 180. So 180 is also done. 180 is also serviced. Then it will move to the next, that is 34. Where is 34? 34 is this one. 34 is this location. Okay, so 34 is that location, so I will connect this to this one. Okay, so this is very important, that you must have a proper space. For FCFS you will be having a space at the bottom, so that you can draw the diagram in a proper way. Okay, so 34 is also 119. So 119, again 119 is at this position. 119 is done. Okay, after 119 we have next is 11. 11 is there. 11 is there at this position. Okay, so 11 this position, done. 11 is also serviced. Now next is 123. 123 is at this position, so 123 it will come at this location. So 123. Okay, so 123 is also done. I am cutting all the tracks which are done. Okay, so you can keep track of the tracks which are already serviced. Okay, the next is 62. Where is 62? 62 is at this location. Okay, so 62 is also serviced now. Okay, so your track is moving from this location. Okay, initial 50, then 90, then 95, then 180. Okay, then 34, then 119, then 11, then 123, then 62. After that we have the last one, that is 64. We have last one, that is 64. Okay, so it was all about the FCFS. Okay, now we have to calculate two things. Okay, the calculation is also very important. Okay, you need to remember the method, how we have to calculate the things, because the calculation part is very important. Okay, so the first thing we have to calculate is total head moment. Okay, total head moment. Okay, so I will calculate it over here. Total head moment. So total head moment, how we can calculate, is equal to. Okay, first we need to start from this location 50. Okay, so from 50 to 180. Okay, so you can consider 180. So 180 minus 50. You need to cancel the remaining one. Okay, 20 minus 50. So his part is done. From this one to this one, this part is calculated. Okay, plus from this part we'll name it A to B. Okay, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, and G to H. Okay, so it will be easy for you to calculate the things. Okay, so from A to B you have calculated. The B point is at 180, so 180 minus 50. So 180 minus 50 will give you A to B distance. Okay, so A to B distance is 180 minus 50. Now you need to calculate from B to C. So B to C, how you will calculate? 180 minus 34. 180 minus 34. So 180 minus 34. So B to C is also done. Now C to D. So C to D is up to 119. So point D is at 119. Okay, so 119 minus 34. So this part is the. So from C to D you can calculate 119 minus 34. Okay, 119 minus 34. Okay, plus the next is remaining, still remaining. From D to E. From D to E, how you will calculate? The point D is at 119. So 119 minus this point is at 11. So 119 minus 11. So 119 minus 11. Okay, done. Plus again the things are remaining. From E to F. F is at 123. So 1 2 3 minus 11. 1 2 3 minus 11. Okay. From F to G, F is at 1 2 3. 1 2 3 minus G is at 62. G is at 62. Okay. So F to G, 123 minus 62. 123 minus 62 plus 123 minus 62 plus. From G to H, how much? So H is at 64. 64 minus 62. Okay. So plus 64 minus 62. Okay. So if you will calculate the total head moment, then you will get this total head moment is equal to 644 track. 644 track. Okay. So this is how the total head moment is being calculated. Okay. So after calculation, we have to find the seek time. Okay. The next is seek time. Seek time is equal to total head moment multiplied by seek rate. Seek rate. Okay. The seek rate over here, we have considered the seek rate of 5 millisecond is given. Okay. So seek rate we have been given 644 track multiplied by 5 milliseconds. So it becomes 3220 millisecond seek time. Seek time. Okay. So you have calculated seek time as 3220 millisecond. Okay. So this is all you can do with the FCFS, that is first come first serve algorithm. Okay. So you need to calculate total head moment, that is 644 tracks, and seek time as 3220 millisecond. Okay. Thank you so much.